Regarding the MRSSA, just about 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, I had a meeting at my level, and the NIC, the Deputy Commissioner of Shillong, and the Police Department were present. And the first presentation of the online registration system for the MRSSA was presented to us. Based on that, there will be data entry operators who will be there in different police stations. The software will be online. The system of the headmans to register and inform the administration and the police regarding who are the people in rented places will be again online. So all these presentations were given to us, and based on that we have asked for some more changes so that the system becomes more user friendly. And as soon as that is done, we plan to take up 2 to 3 localities on a pilot basis. So I expect that maybe in about a month's time or 2 months' time, we'll be able to start a pilot project on creation of a database and making it online at the earliest. So as a government, we have been very, very committed to this. The MRSSA implementation has been happening. The task force in all the districts have been constituted. The entry point at Umling has been set up. The entry point and the facilitation center at Mendi has been set up. The entry and exit and the facilitation center in Ratachera and in Bajingdoba area is under construction. So clearly these are all indications that the MRSSA is being implemented. And we have always maintained as a government that we are committed to these aspects. And we are also very much aware about the concerns. And as we go along, as I said, I have been informed that after close coordination with the district administration, there are certain localities who have started implementing the MRSSA and have started creating their own softwares also to keep a record of this. So we have informed them that that NIC is preparing a centralized database for this. So all these aspects are being done, and we are very, very firm that as committed by the government, all these aspects will be done. And people have seen that we have stuck to our commitments by ensuring that Umling, Mendi, Ratachera, Bajingdoba facilitation centers come up. And as I said, the task force are up, and I'm hopeful that in the next few months, maybe a month or 2 months' time, we should be having the pilot project for the online system of registration of the current act that is there being implemented in all the localities around the state.